Home Remedies presents
Get shiny hair, long hair, soft hair naturally. Homemade hair mask for dry damaged hair. Today I will share with you 2 inexpensive at-home tricks that will fix your brittle, damaged, dry locks, leaving you with gorgeous, healthy hair. Tea rinse. Moringa powder is rich in zinc, which supports healthy hair growth. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and iron, which moisturizes the scalp and increases blood flow to the hair follicles. For a healthy hair routine, add 1 tablespoon of moringa powder to 1 cup of hot water and allow it to steep until cool. Strain the herbs out and pour the tea into a spray bottle for easy use. You can spray this tea onto your hair strands when your hair needs a dose of strength. You can also spray it directly on your scalp to fight excessive shedding or hair fall. You can also pour this tea all over your hair and scalp immediately after washing your hair. Let it sit on your hair for a few minutes before rinsing it out and following up with a deep conditioner. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Hair mask. You can use moringa by adding the powder or oil to your hair masks. Use at least once a week as a hair mask. Here's one recipe that can turn your hair from dry and brittle to healthy and shiny. What you will need: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoon moringa powder, 3 tablespoon raw honey. Directions: mix all the ingredients in a bowl and add some water to achieve your desired consistency. Apply this mixture generously to your hair. Cover with shower cap and leave it in for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse and shampoo your hair out. This mask will leave your hair looking shiny and feeling soft. This, combined with the boost of nutrients from your diet, is a winning combination for beautiful hair.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.